this backpack feels like it's almost on the top. So it doesn't reach my hip, just right on my waist. I'm 5'7", so it feels like very connected with me on the top part. For the bottom, it's kind of loose. And I feel like no matter what you do, it won't just like wiggling. So pretty tight. This is 511 AMP24. It is all mission pack for 1 day. Actually, this is at 24 hours. This backpack is very nice looking, especially this hex grade. And this material is very hard. And the cut is shape, and you can put things on the workroom right here, or you can hook things on here. This is made of 420D and 1000D core dura nylon. And actually the nylon's quality is super good. Like that, you got big patch of the workrooms. It's very sticky. The quality is very good. Actually, this one you can take this one out. You see, there are two hooks, and on the front, they still got workrooms you can use. And let's check the top. Here, you got an area that you can put your kind of sunglasses stuff onto the top because it's soft lined. So let's open the package. On the side, there is like a long sleeves. You see, you can put stuff like longer inside on the side. You can hook something on the top, and on the bottom still got plenty of room right here. And this is the front part. Even the inside, they got mollies. You can reach the molly from the both sides. And on the top, here's the mesh. The mesh quality is super good. And one thing I need to mention is that even though it's closed like this, so you still can reach things from the side, you see? And let's check the back. It's super nice looking and it's very comfortable. This gives you really good support. It's not that hard. You still can press that in. It's like a big shell right on your back. And let's check another layer. So this is another layer, and this is padded. And here is another place. You can actually see what's inside. On the top of the strap, you see right here, it lined with very soft fabric, because this is rough, right? This is super rough and super durable. I can't really think it's gonna be break, but right on here, this is your neck, and this well sort of like protect your neck. And on the front, you got a lot of mollies, and this one also removable. You can change direction. I think they put a lot of thoughts on this backpack, and super good looking. Alright, this is 511 AMP24. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.